Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GLER. We'll take a look at the daily time frame. Did this one last week, and at that time just talked about how it was hovering around this pink line there, which is the 200-day simple moving average, and how that was good action in the sense this is a key level of support, and you want to see it hold. And you can see that, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So essentially 2 weeks in a row, just hovered right around this level, and then finally today, you can see things look like they're starting to wake back up again. Nice volume and nice corresponding price action. So want to get the chart updated and kind of just point out the key thing that you want to see happen going forward. Obviously going forward from a support standpoint, you want to see the 200-day continue to hold. A new level of support that was established today was right up here. Oops, that's not the tool I wanted to use. Let's just grab a regular line. So if you look back through the history of the chart, you can see twice, both here on, when was that, November 26th, and then right there on December 3rd, the price came up and bounced its head off of 0016, but obviously today was able to break through 0016. So this level of resistance has now been converted into a level of support. So you have two levels of support now, both the 200-day simple moving average and then up here at 0016. Now the key thing that I hinted at earlier that you want to see happen is for the price to get back up above this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. Right now that's valued at 0019, and surprise, surprise, the high of today was 0019, 0019, excuse me. So no shock there. This is going to act as resistance, and today was the first day of knocking down the price. The good news is it closed up pretty close to it, so if it's going to do battle with it again tomorrow, it's not like it's got a far journey that it's got to travel in order to finally do battle. It'll be, whereas today, you know, it opened up way down here, so it had to travel all the way up here before it could even test it. Now that it closed right there, it's only got to travel that far. Obviously, this distance is a lot more than that, so you know, if this volume keeps up, I would not be shocked at all to see, you know, this resistance fall. But on that same note, you know, if the volume drops off a cliff and it's small again, I don't foresee this level getting pushed through. Volume's going to need to stay heavy and thick if this has any chance of pushing through and fighting through this level of resistance. But as you can see, with a break of this moving average here, could be a little pit stop, little speed bump right here, where you can see these levels bounced, and that's all at 002. So really 0019, 002 is going to be a little resistance zone, but get through that zone and you know, lots of room to run, lots of potential here until nothing really until up in the high 2. So but this is the key. This is what the whole chart's kind of you know, hinging on. You know, if this bounce has any chance of turning into reversal, you know, this is definitely step one, getting above these levels and more importantly closing above them. So keep your eye on those. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, and you enjoy the video and want to learn more about charting, or maybe you use charts but you want to learn some advanced strategies, I'd encourage you to click on that image up above. We have multiple instant download courses, everything from beginners up to advanced traders, so I'd encourage you to check them out. They've been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials, so go to the link and give them a try. One more time, this was GLER. Thanks for listening.